Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to mine efficiently on Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. So generally what normal people do, or people who have just started playing do, is they start by making like a staircase and then start going down just like that. This is pretty efficient, but that is not the best efficiency you can get. The best way to mine is find something like this, which is a cave, as you can see, which offers the most amount of minerals, and you can also get down easier as well. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and start going down this cave. Let's see what I can find. A lot of iron, or not iron, but a lot of coal, as you guys saw already. I'm just going to go ahead and place a lot of different torches around. All right, there's also iron. So generally, if you want to find iron, iron is going to be in 16. So if you want to go ahead and go down inside of the cave into 16. So I'm just going to go ahead and go straight down. That way I can show you guys easier, right? That's 28, 22. That's 1918. So, oh, and I just got out of 16 straight into a lava pool. This does happen when you dig straight deep. So that is also one reason why you don't dig straight deep. So I'm in 19, right? As you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and head into a random direction first and then start going down into 16. Just like that. I am in 16. Or actually 17, but there you go, that's 16. Now all I need to do is just go straight in, and then once I go straight in, I want to simply go ahead and look all 4 different ways. So just like that, I can go 1 side, 2 side, 3 side to see what I could potentially find. So that, I think all of the sides have caves, so this is actually a gold run. I mean, it's pretty good for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and dig straight in here and try to see what else is around here, as you can see. Finding a cave is actually the best thing you can do because it normally has a lot of different things. So as you can see, there's coal, there's, oh, and I just got it to fire. And there you go. Actually, we just found diamonds, which is amazing, isn't it? So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you guys. If it helped, make sure to comment down below what else do you want a video on, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.